and welcome to vlog number 60. I look a hot mess right now. I think my face and my... I can't speak. I've got hay fever. I'm dying. I'm sorry. Please don't look at the very rude board that my lovely boyfriend put together. I'm not crying. I promise. I swear. I don't know. It's so warm. I'm going to put the fan on in a minute, but I didn't want to interrupt you. Do you like Aaron's jalapeno plant? I always say jalapenos. Apparently so does Faye, but the jalapenos. And they need watering. I'm going to do that. That cup there is the water cup for the jalapenos. And I just put that on to make it look a little bit prettier. My week, or my existence for the next 2 months has got a little bit more busy. And I've decided that I really need a calendar because my brain is so scrambled right now and I don't know what I'm doing. And I also, tomorrow, my mum is going to inquire about my nails doing, because there's actually a lady on my street. She lives about 5 or 6 doors down, I think. She actually does nails, so my mum's gonna, she's got a number, I think, so she's gonna ring her and see, because my mum's off tomorrow because she's got a kidney infection. She went to the doctors today, but she's on the mend, so that's all good. But he did say that she can't go in because she like works in a hospital and stuff. So yeah, I'm so warm. It's so warm. Hey Siri, what's the temperature outside?
It's currently 17 degrees.
No, it's not. Blah, 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 blah. So the deal is, today is the 2nd of July. My cousin's wedding is on the 3rd of July, 3rd of August, and my next nail appointment is on the 18th of August. And the last time I had my nails done was when I went to Turkey, I think on the 9th of August, but that was a week before, so technically about a month ago. So I want my nails doing for the wedding, but if I have them done this weekend, because they are in desperate need. Look at the state. Before any nail people judge me, this was the first time I've ever had my nails done, because I did not know how long they lasted or whatever. I can't get them off. I don't know how to get them off. I don't want to take them off because I still love them. I mean, look at the state. They're literally nearly the roots of my nails, the base or whatever it's called. Literally, that one is nearly on the end of my nail. That is crazy. I'm not going to show you the picture that I want to, because it's a picture that some girl did on the beauty group that I'm part of on Facebook. But I don't know her. I saved the picture, so I'm going to take it to whoever does my nails. The simplistic design. Hopefully it's a little bit longer than this. I don't know if she'll be able to make them a little bit longer, but yeah. So that's the update, and yeah, I'm going to see. Right, okay. I'm just going to tell you. Go away. What are you doing this for? Because my hands are so sweaty. My phone won't recognise my thumbprint. That's really embarrassing. Sorry, I was a little bit distracted then because my hairdresser had emailed me because I've got an appointment on the 18th. I don't officially, I'm just telling you this. So that's planned in. 3rd of August planned in. Actually the 9th of November is booked in, and the 23rd of November. So technically I've got 2 events on the 18th of August. 22nd of July. 14th, yeah, that's the next hairdresser's appointment. I booked one after that as well, ish. 8th of July, which is this Sunday, and that's about it. Oh, and I thought I'd just throw it in there and put England on World Cup tomorrow. So altogether, how many events is that? 1, 2, 3, 7. Bank holiday, I'm off to London. I've lost count, start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no, 8. Got 8 coming up that I've just jumbled in my head. Oh, when's that meal? Have I put that in here? I ain't even put that in here, have I? When is it? 22nd? Nope. When is it? 14th? Nope. 28th. It's then. I've got 9. I'm off to Fazenders. Remind me the day before. I'm gonna put the fan over there and die slowly. Apparently that was happening on Tuesday as well. I'm gonna have to Google this. My voice is going. It's not good. It's really not.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
Do you want to see my makeup?
Yeah, put wall lights on. Oh, that was nice. Pretty greedy.
Blue.
Oh, bluey then.
I did try and go. I was doing it before and I washed it all off because it turned into a disaster.
That was bad.
You look like a lobster because you're all in red.
Do what?
Well, you're on a red blanket, lying on red cushions, with red hair, slightly sunburnt, in red pyjamas.
I love that colour on you.
Blue wigs look nice on me, but when I dye my hair blue, it turns into a disaster.
I don't think you could go out with that wig, it looks so
No, I can't, because you can tell here.
Did Dad just said, is it a wig?
I'm not going to dye my hair and cut it off all in one go, am I?
You can't tell, can you?
So you're going to take that all up before you go out tonight?
I'm not going anywhere tonight.
What about morning?
You're going to work, what is she bothered?
I should go like that, won't it?
I can take makeup off, Dad. It takes 2 seconds.
Yeah, but I put makeup on for a reason.
For YouTube.
Oh, alright. I'm on YouTube.
You're on YouTube. What are you on YouTube for?
Mopping floor at work, man. Nobody knows. About 10 years ago.
I'll put a link in
No,
description.
Yeah. He told me he's on YouTube.
Molly, talk to your fans.
Off, off, off.
Give me your slipper. Give me your slipper. Give me your slipper. Give me your slipper.
Molly, watch me.
I can't get a grip of it. It's a weird slipper. Ow! Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Good morning, guys. So this morning me and Erin are going to Ikea, which is quite ironic because England plays Sweden today, so we didn't know whether we should have gone, but we're gonna go anyway. Hopefully it doesn't jinx it. But yeah. And then I'm gonna go to Boots and get some acetone because the time has come. I can't stand it anymore. These nails need to go. Have you seen the state? It's pretty bad, isn't it? 3 o'clock, England plays Sweden. Oh, and also this week I'm staying at his house because his mum and dad are away. Hopefully next year we might have moved out so we won't be staying at each other's houses. I won't punch you because you're driving.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
The next day.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
Alfie, look at me. Alright then, bugger off. I'm off upstairs to vlog a bit. Why are you running around? I don't like it when you run around because you might claw at my ankles. I'm making my lucky escape. No! Oh, you scare me when you're like this. That's it, jump on my toe. Get the lucky escape. Erin's cat's getting giddy and I've got no socks on, so I'm scared. So basically, guys, I wanted to come up here and just, because I've not really talked to you since we went to Ikea. Since then, we won the we didn't win the World Cup. Let's not jinx it, Emma. Oh no. We won Sweden versus England 2-0. The semi-final is on Wednesday, and I don't know when the final is, but I really hope we at least get to the final. That'll be really exciting. My dad has given me the England shirt from 1966. I didn't know we had one, so I'm so excited. And then when we went to Ikea, Aaron bought some shelves. Well, he was going to put like his fish tank on it, and then he decided not to because I don't know. I think he said that didn't look strong enough from Ikea, so he's put it on his bed as his bedside table. So this is it. Excuse the mess. Just one of them 4-unit things. 4-shelf unit things. And I kind of want one of them for myself. But I've got no room where I live at my home with my parents. Need to move out. It's something that's stressing me out a little bit lately, to be honest with you. But when I move out, I'm gonna get one because they're not even that expensive. I thought they were like over £200 and you can get them for like £60, which ain't bad at all. So I'm just gonna get one of them, pop as a display like a generic YouTuber like everybody else has, and see what I can display. I'll be moving in with Aaron, and this is Aaron's current display, so I could probably put some of them guys on the shelves. So yeah, today I went to my Auntie Margaret's birthday party, so pretty much a lot of the family, not all the family, and I didn't vlog there at all because I know there's kids there and the parents don't want them to be on YouTube, so I didn't really want like kids running around who want meant to be on the YouTube channel. What I brought back from today is I found a way basically to manually breaking shoes. I bought the particular pair of heels. I won't show you them because I haven't got them with me and I haven't got a video of them. When I went to Yahoo, I think it was 2015, and I've only worn them that time, and I've been eyeing them up in my wardrobe, and I couldn't wear them because they kept giving me blisters literally every time I wore them. So when I started my new job, I found a way to break in shoes, and it didn't really cross my mind as such when I had my heels with me. I don't know, I didn't really think, oh, I could do this to all my shoes. But today I'm wearing this outfit, and I've got this dark green maxi skirt, and I always want to wear them shoes with this skirt. So today I was like, right, I'm gonna try it, and it worked. So I'm gonna make a video on how to break in shoes manually. And it's really warm again. Can you see Aaron's England shirt? Let me see, not England, Bradford City. Goalkeeper of England, used to be a City player. Just saying. I'm gonna go now. I don't know when this video will go up. It's not gonna go up tomorrow because there's only an hour left of today, and I go to bed at midnight, so I can't get it edited and uploaded in an hour because I've done no editing whatsoever. So yeah, is there anything else I want to tell you? I don't know. A bit scared to go see the cat now, to be honest with you. But yeah, thanks for watching. I shall see you in my next video, which will probably be a shoe tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!
There goes a sight from my soul.